Hadley's fake cough.
Oh, it's easy.
You sick, Hadley? Are you sick? Go. We should be teaching to talk, but we're teaching to cough. You think that you're sick and get out of school. Ew.